In this lesson, we are going to learn how to add and subtract algebraic expressions. At the end of this lesson, you should be able to add and subtract algebraic expressions. Now let's look at how to add algebraic expressions or how to subtract them. Now we can only add and subtract like terms. And then we saw what like terms are in our previous lessons. So we can only add 2 terms or 3 terms or more if they are like terms. And then same applies to subtraction. So for example, if you have x and then 2x, because these terms are like terms, they can be added. Now let's add this and see the results. We know this is standing alone, so it has a coefficient of what? 1. And you know what coefficients are. So they are the numbers that are attached to the variables. So if a variable is standing alone, it means it has a coefficient of 1. And then it has a power of 1. So this has a power of 1, and this also has a power of 1. Now, when adding like terms, or when adding algebraic expressions, we only concentrate on the coefficients. So this is 1 plus 2 will give us what? 3. And then we write one of the variables. I hope you understand. So if you have a plus a, this is 1 plus 1. This is going to give us what? 2a. If you have 3b plus 4b, 3 plus 4 is 7, and then the b comes. Now note that the powers are not affected when adding or subtracting. That is the powers of the variables. So for example, if you have 2a squared plus a, now let's make this one a squared. So 2a squared plus a squared. Now these are like terms, so they can be added. 2 plus 1 is going to give us 3. Now we don't add the exponents 2 so that will give us a raised to the power 4. No. We are only interested in the coefficient. So this is going to give us 3a squared. So the coefficients are there to tell us that this and this are like terms. But then when adding them, you don't touch them. Now the same applies to subtraction. So if you have 3x minus x, this is 3 minus 1. So this is going to give us what? 2x. I hope you understand. Now let's try these examples. So we have to simplify the following expressions. So first, we have 3x plus 6y plus 3 minus y plus 4. So first we have to check if there are like terms. So let's check. 3x has no like term here. 6y and then y are like terms. And these are the constants. So we can group them. So we have the 3x here plus, now 6y is here. We are grouping the like terms. So this one will come here. It is negative y. It becomes minus y here. And then this 3 is plus 3, and this is plus 4. So we've just regrouped it. It is the same expression. So we have our 3x here. Now 6y minus y. This is the same as 6 minus 1. That's going to give us what? 5y. And then 3 plus 4 is 7. I hope you understand. Now let's try the next example. So this is the first example. Now the next one, we have x cubed plus 2x squared plus 4x plus 2x cubed minus 4x squared. So first, let's see if you have like terms. So x cubed and then 2x cubed are like terms. 2x squared and then negative 4x squared are also like terms. So we can group them. So we have our x cubed here, and then this is also plus 2x cubed. Now let's group these ones too. Plus 2x squared minus 4x squared, and then plus our 4x here. And then let's simplify. X cubed plus 2x cubed. This is like 1 plus 2. It is what? 3x cubed. And then 2x squared minus 4x squared. So this is 2 minus 4. Is what? Negative 2. So we have minus 2x squared. And then we add this one. 4x. And then let's try the last example. So we have example 3. We have x squared y plus 6xy squared minus 7xy plus 4x squared y minus xy squared. So let's group the like terms. This is x squared y. This is also x squared y. So they are like terms. This is xy squared. This is also xy squared. So they are also like terms. So let's group them. So we have x squared y plus 4x squared y. I hope you understand. Plus, then we bring this one. 6xy squared minus xy squared. And then we bring this one. Minus 7xy. Now let's simplify. The coefficient here is 1. So 1, this is squared. 4x squared y. Sorry. Now this is 1 plus 4 is giving us what? 5. So x squared y. 6 minus 1 is also what? 5. So plus 5xy squared. And then we have this one here. I hope you understand. So this is our final answer. We've come to the end of this lesson. In this lesson, we learned how to add and then subtract algebraic expressions. Join me in the next lesson as we learn how to multiply algebraic expressions. See you in the next lesson.